Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken farm. Here are all the materials you are going to need. To start, break these 3 blocks, place a double chest here with a hopper going into it, and then place a cauldron on top of the double chest, and a lava into the cauldron, and a fence on top of the hopper. Next, place a platform just like this, place a dispenser facing into the fence, place a target like this, then place a comparator coming out of the dispenser, a redstone repeater, and redstone going around. Next, place a hopper going into the dispenser, place hoppers in a plus sign onto that first hopper, then go up and place building blocks all around the hoppers. Then place slabs on top of those blocks, that way the chickens cannot escape. And then place a glass block on top of this one, right here and right here. Go ahead and grab your chickens and put them on top of the hoppers up top, and there you go. You have now made yourself a chicken farm.